In this video, we are going to see how we can add anything or remove anything in the background. Let's say that we want to remove this study table, how we can do that. And also let's say that this is a beautiful picture, but I just want to remove all the crowd in this picture. So we can easily do that with Nano Banana. And like we have seen before, either we can go to gemini.google.com, which is just a simple Gemini application. We can try these things, but it has a limit. What you can do is you can also use the studio or just write Gemini Studio, and you can also go from this link. Click on try Nano Banana and you can try a couple of times, and each time it uses some tokens. So we have just used 11 out of 32,000 tokens. We already have a lot of them, but let's say that still we want to have unlimited credits. For that, you can use this application or this website called unwanted.ai. You can get this link with the description or resources section of this video. So this gives you unlimited access to the photos that you can create, not only on Gemini, but on all the other essential platforms. All right, let's try some images. And in the first image, let's say I just want to remove the study table in the background. So I just asked to remove the study table in the background. Let's hit enter. And it will give you two results, assistant A and assistant B. After that, whatever you like, you can download that result. And it might take very less time to remove the simple objects. If the background is not very complex, it will take a couple of seconds to do that. So as you can see, the results are pretty amazing, and it has successfully removed the complete study table. Then I just want to say remove the plugs in the wall and the hanging lamp as well, because we don't want this hanging lamp or plugs to appear, as we have already removed the study table. So let's hit enter and look at this, guys. In the first image, it has also removed the LCD. I don't want that. But in the second image, as you can see, it has removed the hanging lamp perfectly, and it has removed all the plugs as well. So let's download this and let's compare it with the original image. So as you can see, this is the original image. We had the hanging lamp, we had some kind of switches in the background, we had this study table. And if you notice, we also had a shadow of it. So let's see how perfectly it has removed this. In the next picture, it has completely removed the shadow, removed the lamp, and removed all the switches in the wall perfectly. You won't be even able to guess if there was something here. So this is how we can easily remove the objects. Let's try removing the people or crowd in our image. Let's click on upload image. Make sure, guys, whenever you're using this particular application, which I just told you, what you can do is just from the main screen, just click on generate images. And after that, just select the image that you want to edit. And this time I'll select this. Let's try to remove a couple of objects. Remove crowd and billboard lights on the right. So as you can see, we have this billboard lights that's disturbing in the image, and we also want to get rid of all the crowd. Let's say that we want to use it for our website or want to show in our blog as a tourist destination. We can even write remove the crowd and billboard from the picture. So not only it will remove the lights, it will also remove the complete billboard. Let's see the results and let's hit enter and just look at this, guys. It has almost removed all the crowd, only some people are there, and it has completely removed the billboard as well. It has removed the extra wires that was shown at the top, and this one is even a cleaner look of it. So let's download this and let's see and compare the results. So this was the original picture, which has a lot of crowd. It has a billboard on our right, and it has this extra wires in the sky as well. So after the removal process is done, let's see the results. Look at this, guys. It has completely removed the billboard and has matched the picture accurately. It has completely removed the crowd, and it has removed some wires as well. Now let's experiment something else. Let's make it a daytime. So I want to experiment with this picture. I wanted to make this a daytime and convert this picture into high resolution, because if you have noticed, the picture is not of that high quality. So let's experiment this. And again, the time taken by the picture to process will depend on the complexity of the task you give to it. And just look at this stunning results, guys. Let's just compare this one. This one is a different angle, although this looks good as well. But let's just download this particular image. So first of all, this was the original picture that I downloaded from Pixels. It has a lot of crowd. It is nighttime. It has a billboard on our right. Then I just asked Nano Banana to remove the billboard and the crowd. And the results are these. But then I felt that the picture should be of high quality and also in the daytime. Let's compare that and look at this, guys. Although it hasn't removed the crowd because it is taking the first picture as the reference, but look at the results, how it has converted this complete image into a daytime and of better quality. So you can easily compare that. And this is how this AI tool can easily remove the people, the crowd, or any kind of objects from the background. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.